Okay, so I got it roughly pulled out. It's better than it was, still not perfect. You can see this support, this bracket is actually where it needs to be, but yeah, there's still a gap here. You actually need to be pushed a little bit more in some places, but the rough shape is out there. Now I got a different problem. You can see, I mean, this is supposed to be welded together, these two pieces. It's not a rust hole. Well, kind of, there it is, but and you can see it's buckled right here. The thing is, as I was pushing it with that, it actually went a little bit in, so this whole corner now needs to be pulled out a little bit, but it's not that big of a problem. I mean, this hole looks bigger than it actually is because how rusty it is. Yeah, it's not a really big problem, and I'll be cutting all of this out anyway. So I may try to pull it a little bit in here, try to pull it back, but this king disappeared almost, and that's what matters to me most. The support here is where it needs to be, and I can sort of fix this trunk floor when I cut all of this out, and that's gonna be a while because I'm gonna start in the back, I think. I don't know, not sure yet. So yeah, I mean, the whole battery tray is mangled. It's not supposed to be like that at this angle. I mean, the weld's ripped out of it here. It's still pushed in here. So yeah, if this corner came where it needs to be, and this corner, it would be pretty straight where it is. So yeah, I may try to fix it a little bit more, but overall I'm kind of happy with this. Could be better, could be much worse, was much worse. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you later.